In this tutorial, we're going to look at creating variables in the 3 different programming languages. So first off, we'll start off with JavaScript. I'll put a little JS here. In JavaScript, we start with the keyword var, which is short for variable, of course, to indicate that we want it to create a storage space in its memory. Next, we have a space, and then the name of our variable. In this case, I'm going to call it my friend. Now, JavaScript and a few other languages allow you to assign a value as well as declare it in the same line. So we assign a value with the equal sign. In this case, my friend is going to be Sam. You can see I've got it in quotation marks because Sam is a string of text as opposed to a variable. And as with all our statements, we end with a semicolon. So in JavaScript, the keyword var, the name of the variable, we can assign it a value in the same statement with an equal sign, and then the value we want to assign to my friend. Moving on to PHP. Identifying variables in PHP is very easy because PHP uses the $ to create a variable. $, no spaces here. My friend equals Sam. So the rest of it is the same as JavaScript, semicolon at the end. And then finally in C#. Now C#'s a little different. It's a little more particular. It's a strictly typed language, and it wants more information from us. It wants to know what type of variable we're hoping to store. So in C#, we have to tell it the type of variable first. In this case, as I mentioned earlier, this is a word. It's referred to as a string of characters. So the data type is a string. So for C#, we tell it we're going to store a string. That's the data type first. And then a space, and then the name of the variable. And then we can assign its value. Just the same as we did in the others, and ending with a semicolon. So that's declaring and assigning values to variables in JavaScript, PHP, and C#.